This tutorial will introduce you to the My Blackboard tab. It will also show you how to use different parts of this tab. Once you have logged into Blackboard, the first screen you should see is this one, which is the Clay Hill Elementary School webpage. For this example, we are logged in as a student named Sally Student. At the top of the screen, Sally sees 5 different tabs. This is what you will see once you have logged in. Right now, we are viewing the contents of the CHE tab. As you will find, the name for each tab is a hot link. This is apparent because as the mouse cursor is dragged over the names of the tabs, it changes. Notice that the mouse starts out as a normal select cursor, which is a white arrow. Then as it rolls over each tab's name, it becomes a hand with a pointing finger. This new icon stands for the link select cursor. The hand with the pointing finger means you can select an item with your mouse. Many times when a hot link is selected, a new screen will open. When you have some time, please investigate all 5 of these different tabs. For this particular tutorial, we will be concentrating on the My Blackboard tab. When you select the My Blackboard hot link with your mouse, the corresponding My Blackboard screen will appear. As you can see, this screen contains a lot of different rectangular shaped boxes. These boxes are called modules, and they each contain a different type of information. The first module we will focus on is called Classes. We can see that Sally is enrolled as a student in 2 different classes. One is called Mrs. Payne's STEM class, and the other is called Ms. Lucius STEM. The names of these classes are actually hot links. We know that because the normal select cursor changes from an arrow to the link select cursor, which is a hand with a pointing finger. When one of the links is selected, the student will be taken inside the class. This is the inside of the class named Mrs. Payne's STEM class. We will take a closer look at this class in later tutorials as well. To leave the class and return to the My Blackboard tab, the student can select the corresponding tab link that is located at the top of the screen. There are 2 other modules that we will take a look at on the My Blackboard tab. The first is called My Announcements. This module contains links to the announcements for all of the Blackboard classes in which a student is enrolled. In this example, you can see links to announcements for the 2 classes that were listed above in the Classes module. If Sally Student wants to view any of these announcements, she can just click on the link. Here are the announcements for this particular class, which is Mrs. Payne's STEM class. To return to the My Blackboard tab, Sally would use the My Blackboard tab link. The last module on the Blackboard tab that we will discuss is called the My Calendar module. This is where the student can see important class dates that need to be remembered. When the More Calendar Events link is selected, the calendar screen will open. This screen gives the student the ability to view several different Blackboard calendars. Notice under the Calendars heading the 4 different calendars that Sally can view. Each calendar has its own color code, so she can tell the difference between each one. We will take a much closer look at the different types of Blackboard calendars in a different tutorial. To return to the My Blackboard tab, simply select the tab link. To review, this tutorial has shown you a glimpse of what you will see when you log on to Blackboard. It has focused on the My Blackboard tab, and it has introduced you to the Classes, My Announcements, and My Calendar modules.